Hey friends, and welcome back. You're so welcome and appreciated. So happy that you're joining me today. Today I'm participating in the Spring Lantern Collab that's being hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner. And guys, I am so excited because I decided to decorate my kitchen area. I don't really show my kitchen that much, but let me introduce you to Kenya. Kenya is from Kenya's Decor Corner and she loves all things home decor, sharing videos of lifestyle hacks with cleaning and shopping and shopping hauls, and just really great ideas that when you visit her channel you will be so inspired. And I will leave her information in the description bar below along with the playlist for this awesome collab. So guys, for my kitchen, my breakfast bar area, I'm gonna go ahead and put down one of these really placemats. I got 4 of these from Home Goods and I love the color. It's perfect for the spring and the summer. And for my kitchen, I'm going to be decorating with this large lantern. As you can see, I didn't do any decorating. It's right by my breakfast bar area. It's very, very bland, so I really need to get going with decorating, and this will be the first thing. So I'm going to be using this little stand that I have from Hobby Lobby. It's a little pedestal. And I'm going to be using some really pretty light lamb's ears. They're perfect for decorating for this time of year for greenery. I like to go a little light with greenery this time of year and then add in darks a little here and there, and then by the end of the year in the fall and the winter I'll have in all those heavy dark greenery. But these are perfect for the spring, and that's to camouflage the pedestal and that little piece from the dollar store. It's just to give height. Now I got a couple of these rings of floral. I have one by my coffee bar and one on my buffet, and I got these from Kirkland's and I think they're just gorgeous. They're so pretty that I wanted to get a few of them, guys. And so I'm going to also be using this hurricane from Kirkland's with Aluminar. I have one of those on my buffet, and as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm gonna decorate the top of my lantern. I have these from the Dollar Tree and they have some really good florals. They've been stepping up their game lately. I'm just going to basically bend them into place because I want to have cascading florals instead of a large ribbon this year. I also going to use some of these same lamb's ears on the top. That way I can give it a very cohesive look with the bottom and the top. And I'm just going to stick 2 of these on each side. So the way my lantern is set up, I don't have to use any thing to tie anything down. I just can poke them in. And the Dollar Tree had some wisteria. I'm going to be using a lighter pink and a little bit of white to brighten up that darker pink. Pink is my favorite color, so I am definitely going to be using a lot of that in my upcoming decor. But I usually do DIY videos. I wanted to do some decor videos, some design videos. That's where my true love is at. I love DIYs also, don't get me wrong. But this is my wheelhouse, and I really wanted to get back to these videos, so I hope you guys are okay with that. So with this, I'm gonna go ahead and add these in. I got these from Pier 1 before they close, and I'm just going to bend this and then just wrap it around the loop for the handle of this lantern. I got this lantern from Pier 1 also. I miss them so much. That was my favorite store. But aren't these gorgeous? They're so beautiful and vibrant with all of the colors. And I'm going to go back with a little bit more of the darker greenery and just mix it in, pull up the leaves and flare it to give it that full look. And as you can see, it came out nice. Now for the bottom, I'm going to use the same cake stand. My hubby said it was a little in the way at the coffee bar, and I'm going to add that in with some of these DIY Z Gallery Easter eggs I did. If you want, I can put that video in the description bar below of how I created those. But I just think they're so pretty. They're made from a really pretty light velvet pink, and then I added on all of the embellishments with the glitter and the sequins. Just gorgeous. As you can see, I moved the bunnies to the other side because it just looked a little weird and I wanted more symmetry, but I absolutely love the way this looks, and I'm going to continue to decorate the rest of my kitchen. And I'm so happy that I did add this to my breakfast bar area. I think it's so pretty and it's really bringing in the spring. And the bunnies really round it out, and I just love the way it looks, and the candelabra in the middle with the height. So I hope that you like the way this turned out, guys. I think those eggs really blend in together really well. Just loving the way this turned out. So guys, don't forget to go and check out the host channel. Thanks so much, Kenya, for having the open invite so we can all jump in and have so much fun creating with this lantern collab. And don't forget to look at all of the other creators on the playlist, which I will have in the description bar below, besides Kenya's channel link. And I hope you guys like this. I really had a good time. I hope that you keep your head up because things are going to get better. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much, and I just wanted to let you know that each and every time you come by and support my videos, it means so much to me and it motivates me to keep going. So thank you so much. In the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. It might be a DIY, I'm not sure yet. But in the meantime, stay blessed and thank you all for watching.